from, and I didn't understand that you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's the KDK collector here, and this just came in the mail today. I wonder what that is. Well, since you've seen the title, you already know what it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yes, yes, finally! Alright, now she's out of the box. Let's go ahead and open her up.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause
Alright, so now she's out of the box. Let's go ahead and see what year she's from. Okay, so the barcode starts with 8, which means that she was born in 2008, just as I expected. And also, here we have our regulator, which is also sky blue, like the fan itself. And to be honest, I really like this regulator because basically blue is my favorite color. And here we have the label, KY15A, KY153, KY153S, and KY12B. Yeah, so basically the KDK regulator ceiling fans from that era. And yep, 2008 was the last model year for KY153, because in the same year the K15P7 and the K15V8 replaced it. So there you have it. That's my blue 2008 KDK KY12B. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.